Hey everyone, welcome to Miss Best's place. Today me and Miss Melody decided we would take us a little adventure, and we're checking out the baby goats. And we're at the Davis farm, and they have new little baby goats out here. Hey babies!
Hi, baby.
Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. What their names are.
Okay.
You want to name them? Let's name them Max and Ruby. I don't know if they're boys or girls. They're so cute though, aren't they? Yeah. They're so cute too. Oh, one's a little bit bigger than the other one. Bah. Bah. Why are you sticking your feet up in the air like that? Yeah. It's hot. Yeah, it's hot. All right. Well, we're going to travel on down the dirt road and see what else we can find. Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye, babies. Be sweet. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, they don't have no food, do they? They don't have no food. Sorry. Yeah. See what else we can find. Next, we're going to stop off at the historical log cabin here in Samson. Yeah, they've done a little bit of repair on it. It did have another section. I guess that finally rotted away. Shotgun house here. It's a little shotgun house. Isn't that cute? They still got the Christmas lights up on it. I didn't even know they had bathrooms out here. They keep them locked up. They only unlock them, I guess, when they have something going on. Yeah. They used to have some farm equipment out in there, but I don't see too much in there anymore. Then there's a little gazebo. Sometimes they have little things going on out here. Alright, where to next, baby girl? I know where she wants to go. She wants to go over where that playground was. But it's extremely hot today, and it will burn her, just like it did before. Can't do that. Samson Log House Museum. Okay. Millie, what's that on that building right there? Tiger. What does the tiger say? Roar. That's right. Home of the Samson Tigers. Getting some additions added on. A new concession stand house, I guess you can call it. Concession building. That's the football field. Looks nice. It's good. It's looking good. Is that working? Working hard. And that's cute. It's made with Dixie cups stuck in the fence. It says, "We love our seniors." Well, Miss Melody says she's ready to go home. We had us adventure today. We got the swimming pool for the first time this season. She loved it. And what we're gonna do when we get home? We're gonna take a nap. We're gonna take a nap. That's Wesley behind us. He's Hot Rod Wesley. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Sound like something's wrong with you. Uh-oh. You're going home. Going to Mama's house. We're going to go to Mama's house. Where does Mama live at? She live down. Oh, the UPS man's here. Ooh, maybe he brought us some goodies. He might have brought us some goodies. Home sweet home. Oh, doesn't the yard look beautiful? Oh, it's so pretty and green. Yes, it is. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. He left a package at the front door. I wonder what's in it. Let's go see what we got. A few weeks ago, I ordered some plants from Creekside Nursery. Yes, I did. And the plants were terrible. Oh my gosh, they were terrible. Just terrible. So they made it right. Reached out to them by email. They made it right. And we're fixing to unbox and see what they sent me. Okay, the next one. So far, so good. Look at this. This is what it's supposed to look like. It has blooms and everything. Look. Ooh. Oh, that's beautiful. Does it stink? The soil doesn't smell like it's rotted. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, next up. Another one. It looks great. Got big buds all over it. Oh, that's beautiful, y'all. Look, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You know why? Because usually when I get plants like that, they're rotted and nasty. Okay, so that's 3 out of... Oh, they didn't send me 2. So, I told them that both of those hydrangeas were rotted, but they only sent me 1. But I'm not going to complain, because these are gorgeous. Look, this is what they're supposed to look like. They're supposed to look like this. Well, buds are not supposed to have a stink to them. The others, if you'll look back on my video of where I unboxed Creekside Nursery plants, you'll see they were terrible. But this is what they're supposed to look like. These are proven winners. Oh, this one's beautiful too. Ooh, look at the flowers, Millie. Ooh, it's got flowers. Oh, really pretty. And it doesn't stink. Smells pretty good. You think it smells pretty good? Smell it? You want to smell it? Smell? So, they made it right, y'all. You okay, baby? They made it right. They sent the new plants like they told me they would, and they sent me a new hydrangea. And I think they said they were out of the ones I had ordered before, and this was a little bit different one. This one is pink. No, this is Incredible. Incredible Blue Smooth Hydrangea. They told me they were out of these, but I guess they weren't. So I got what I needed and I got what I wanted. They made it all right for me. So I'm so happy. Thank you, Creekside Nursery. Since y'all made it right, I will order more from you because I had done said I wasn't going to order any more from y'all because no, don't break it. Because the first order I got was so bad. But this is the second order. They made it right. They sent me 4 new, They sent me 4. Y'all ever seen that TikTok show with Tino, the little puppy? Well, that's how Melody is, the little puppy. She's like the little puppy. She's behind the camera again, so it's probably fixing to be messed up. So with that being said, I'm gonna stop this video. Again, they made it right. This was from Creekside Nursery. They're located in Dallas, North Carolina, South Carolina. Okay. Y'all, this video is gonna be a hot mess because we just jumping from room to room, place to place. But yeah, there's my flowers. They look beautiful. Not these 2 over here, but these 4. So I'm gonna go now and let's go see if I can find a really nice pot to put them in. And I'm gonna keep them close so I can keep some good fertilizer on them and keep them in some shaded but with a little bit of sun area. I've got some impatiens outside right over here. My porch is a mess. I need to clean it. It's right here, and they look really pretty. They get just enough sunshine and just enough shade. Don't my pool look pretty out there, y'all? My pool look pretty out there, y'all. There's those impatiens I was talking about. They're gorgeous. They're really liking that spot. So I think I might get me another pot. I've got some over yonder hanging up. And I'm going to plant up these new plants that they sent me. And they made it right. Thank you, Jenny and Jerry. I appreciate it.
How you doing?